I live just a few minutes from Cavo Greco on the southern-eastern coast of Cyprus. This rugged rocky landscape is part of the Natura 2000 protected network and serves as one of the island's most important gateways for migratory birds. Hidden among these cliffs lives a family of kestrels on the eastern side of the hill, while peregrine falcons rule the northern cliffs. For months, I have been researching for the falcon's nest, hoping to document a part of their lives. I spent countless hours walking these rocks, scanning every ledge and listening for the slightest call. Then, in May 2025, something happened that I never expected. As I carefully made my way through the rocks, I suddenly heard the call of a young falcon. I followed the sound as quietly as I could. And then, there he was, a juvenile, beautiful peregrine falcon. Standing less than 10 meters away from me. He didn't fly, he didn't hide. I was more shocked than he was. He simply stood there, looking straight at me. For a moment, I didn't even dare lift my camera. But he never seemed concerned. He just watched me, calm, curious, almost trying to understand who or what I was. The silence felt endless. In reality, it was probably only 2 minutes. Then another call echoed across the rocks. His brother appeared, landing even closer after calling several times. It almost felt as though he had come to check on him, to make sure he wasn't alone, or perhaps to face whatever they believed I might be. It was one of the most intimate wildlife encounters I've ever experienced. But moments like these come with responsibility. The last thing I wanted was for these young birds to become comfortable around people. Their fear of humans is one of the instincts that protects them and gives them a better chance of surviving in the wild. So I slowly lowered my camera, took one last look, and quietly walked away. Sometimes the greatest privilege in wildlife photography isn't getting the perfect shot, it's knowing when it's time to leave.